Hello, Norwood teachers. I'm going to give you a little information on how you can access the 2-hour MassCue4You workshops. It's 2 hours total. These are available to all staff anytime. And note that you can start and stop these workshops at any time. We have 5 options for these workshops, and you use this link to get to the workshops. So let's jump over there and take a look. So you will see here that we have the MassCue4You 2-hour self-paced courses, and you need to go into the direct link to join Classroom and access the materials. And so the first thing you'll see when you click the direct link is there should be something asking you what account you want to go into. That's what happened when I prompted into these classes. And then to make sure again that you're in the correct Google Classroom. You shouldn't have any problems getting into the Google Classroom. Once you do, let's take a look at what mine looks like. So I will jump over to Classroom. And it will open up, and you can see that it's in with all of the other classes that I am involved in. And let me just hide this. We'll go down and we'll take a look, and these are all of the 5 courses. So let's say that I was interested in the Google tools for assessing, learning, and providing feedback, to assess, learning, and provide feedback. Sorry about that. And if I click on it, open it up, and what's nice here is that they talk about the pre-session work, and they give you some ideas of what this course is about before you get into it. And then this is the slide deck that you'll work through, the interactive slide deck. And this is the exit ticket. And this is the, I believe this is the survey. And so everything you need for this one workshop is here. If you start it, you can always come back to it. If you start it and it's not meeting your needs, it's not personalized for what you need for your professional development, feel free to join another workshop. We have these available to us all year. And so you see then I had jumped into this one, but I have all of these others available to me. So just remember to contact me. I'll be live all day during our session. If you have any questions or technical issues, I'll do my best to help you out. But just make sure you're in your Norwood account when you go to join this class. That's my first bit of information there. All right, I'm going to jump out now. Thanks.